Hi folks, how are we doing? Welcome to another video. This is not a video that I expected to do, to be quite honest with you. Normally I'll put this sort of thing, or put this video within sort of loving the lingo, but I can't. This is going to be a lash up, and it's just a midweek. It's not even a midweek, it's the end of the week, it's the start of the week. It's a lash up. It's just a lash up, absolute lash up. So basically, it's Sunday. We just left the car show, the Ralfy Fest. The video will be up before this one. It was on the way back. Michelle needed a toilet, pulled into a garage, started the van back up, and the exhaust had fell off. I'll show you. When I say fell off, I mean literally fell off. Snapped clean there, where I'd done the little budge up before on TikTok. Yeah, snap clean off. Straight from, that is literally the downpipe, straight from the manifold. And yeah, luckily I had a toolkit and took the rest of the exhaust off. So I've just had to run to my brother's and pick up the welder, because he had to, it's his welder, but he had to borrow it, if that makes sense. So I'm finished with it. I want to take it back. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, I've got to do a lash up. It is literally 7 o'clock at night. And I've just got to the unit and I've got to fix this because we're in Middlesex tomorrow. In the van. Right, so this is the downpipe that I just took off. You can see where I'd lashed it up before, and it literally just had that on it around there. Sheared clean off. So all I've got really to repair this is this that I took off of the my cousin's Zafira. I don't know whether that comes up on camera, but that is a lot bigger than that. Doesn't actually come up on camera, but that is a lot bigger than that. And just leave it over there. That is just long enough for the box. So I need to clean this up, sleeve it a little bit, weld it somehow. I know, we are fully lashing, you know, we're lashing. I need this tomorrow, so lash. So I just cut the end off this pipe where I squashed it and mangled it and cleaned this up. You can now see how different these two are. This is going to be some fun. So I just cut this bit off, and then you can see I've just sort of cut down there. You can see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to smash it in to meet the exhaust. But what I wanted to show you is, look at that sunset. That is absolutely beautiful. Hopefully that comes up properly on camera. That is amazing. It's the latest I've been over here. Oh, not. It's the latest I've been here in this unit and seen the sunset over there. Quite happy. Just got tunes going, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Not having fun at all. I don't want to do it, but I actually got the green shirt on. This was supposed to be my my decent shirt for going to shows. Didn't stay with it. Never mind. Let's get another one. Alright, so we got it tacked up. That is awful. Absolutely bloody awful. It's still warm. I couldn't really get it's because I didn't jack the car up properly, or the van up properly. I couldn't wear my welding mask, and then I missed. I was like there, and then there, and then there, and then yeah, eventually I managed to get it in the middle. That wasn't too bad. That's gone straight on. But then look at that. That's going to be really, really fun to weld. So wish me luck, because that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to weld it on this bench. So got it all welded up. Let it cool down. There's a little bit there that I might have to put some paste on, but I don't care. The rest of it seems to have actually gone alright, to be fair. So let's get this fitted and see if it actually works. So it's now 1 o'clock in the morning and the exhaust is done. Oh, very nice and tidy in there. Hold up. Let's re-weld it there, then obviously sort of down there. The exhaust is done. So I'm knackered. Like I said, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm absolutely dead. So yeah, please check out my friends in the description box. Please like, subscribe, do the things. I'm gonna pack off and I'm gonna go home. Get some food. I'll see you for the next one.